Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by creating a movie project and importing only the clips you'll use. Open Imovie, click Create New Movie, then import files from Finder or Photos. Once done, scan footage and mark favorites to save time. This helps you avoid scrolling through extras later. Make sure to name the project and set aspect ratio if needed, because that determines framing. Then drag chosen clips into the timeline to start assembling the sequence and establishing rough pacing. Now you refine timing and add storytelling elements. Trim by dragging clip edges or press Command +B to split and remove unwanted parts. This tightens pacing. Then layer B-roll on the upper track to cover cuts and add depth, and insert transitions between clips to smooth flow. Use titles to introduce scenes and adjust their duration. For sound, select a clip and use audio tools to lower background noise and normalize levels so dialogue stays clear. Keep previewing as you tweak. Finish by exporting with the right settings for your destination. Choose Share File, set resolution and quality, pick H, 264 for wide compatibility or HEVC for smaller files, and name the file. Once exported, watch the full video to confirm a /V sync, color consistency, and audio levels. If something goes wrong, try simplifying the timeline or disabling background render. Freeing disk space often resolves stalled exports. Finally, upload or archive the master and keep the project bundle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.